Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can extract music from a video in the VN application. I'm just going to select music over here. Then I'm going to press this plus button on the top right corner. And then I'm going to press extract from video. Then I'm just going to select any video. I'm just going to rename it. And I'm just going to type groove. I'm just going to press OK. Then it'll be here for you to use in your video. So just click on it and then press create project. And you'll have the song over here. Oops. But you can also put like the song, add this music by pressing this button over here. So if I go to music, it'll be here, and I can also add from here, from videos, your music library, or even extract from link, or you can get it from your file manager. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!